Hello everyone, welcome back to our session. So here I'm trying to create a cloud page which will be displaying the questions. If they submit the answer, they should be getting a response about the answers. And if they have what is the score they have gone with. So I'm going with number, the question number, and is available. Working. Just a minute. Let me. I need a tool which can help me out with that. So I'm logging into the other tool and I'll show you that. Waiting for the screen to load. I'm sharing my screen and also I'm trying to explain what I want to achieve. First, I would like to have a data extension which is for quiz. Okay. And I'll be creating a data extension here and that will be called as C programming underscore questions. Okay. And this will have only questions where it will be having the question number is is available. Some questions might be available, might not be available. So question number is 1 and it is a Boolean type. By default, it will be true. And here I'll be having the question, which will be of text 500. Okay, the option 1, option 2, option 3, and option 4. And I'll be having the answer. Okay, I'll be having the answer whether it is A, B, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, whether they have given the, so each one will be having a 500 text. Okay. And answer will be stored in the form of number. All of them are required. And the question number will be a primary key here. Okay. So let me add some data, one or two questions. I want to record the answers here. I want to record the answers. And parallelly, I'll be creating a cloud page so that I want to display those questions. I want to display those questions. And if they submit it, I want to record that value. So data extensions, quiz, C programming questions. Question number 1. Is it available? Yes, it is available. The question is, who is the father of C programming? Option A, Charles, Dennis, okay, James, and Steve. Okay, the answer is for this one is 2. For Dennis is the answer. I'll go with the second question now for reference. So second one is available question. Who is the father of C programming? So next one I want to have which data type cannot have a variable? Declare, um, int, float, void, char, and the answer is 3 in this case. Okay. 3 in this case. I'll go with only 2 questions for now. I want to display this. I want to display these questions. I want to display these questions on my cloud page. I want to display these questions on my cloud page. I want to build a dynamic web page which can read these questions and display it on the screen. Okay, let us build that. Waiting for the screen to load. In these are the scenarios where you might need the cloud pages and AMP script. Okay, let me create a folder called quiz, and I'll be creating a cloud page. The first cloud page, which will be display questions, C programming. Okay, and URL will be tenant specific for now. I'll go with a blank row. I'll design it later. Design is not the importance for now here. I would like to have the display of that data only if it is available for exam or the quiz. Waiting for the screen to load again. Waiting for the screen to load. Meanwhile, I would like to write the AMP script. I would like to write the AMP script. So what is the AMP script? AMP script is the one which will be taking care of displaying this. So first I'll go with a set at questions is equal to lookup rows, and I would like to look up the D, and based on the condition. So let me check. Lookup rows, the number of parameters required. This is the official document. Lookup rows, you need to specify the data extension name, the search column name, and the value. Okay. So the search name and the value is true. The search column name is available, and the data extension name is C programming underscore. Let me see the data extension name. I forgot it. This is the name of the data extension. Okay, this looks good. So now lookup rows, first it is checking for these data extension. Have I typed it wrong? Yes, it is wrong. C programming quiz. This is the data extension, and the field is available, and the value is tree. I'll check for this one. If I have more than one, now I would like to check whether I have records. Set at q count is equal to row count function with the previous output, which is questions. Okay, so if at question count is greater than or equal to 1, then I would like to play with it, and I don't have anything else. I know there will be some questions. So if this question count is greater than or equal to 1, I want to start displaying those questions. Let us have a very simple code first. I would just like to display, the question. That's it. Okay. And then we'll play around with it. So for that, I need to write a loop for at I is equal to 1 to at q count do next at I. Okay, so what is that I want to display now? I want to display the question itself. So let me take the question first. So to take the question, I need set at question is equal to, first let us take this is questions. First I need the record one value. The record is equal to row at questions. From the questions, I want to pick the first row from it. Okay. And from that row, I want to pull at question is equal to field from the record, pull the question. That is this guy. Okay. Now let us display this. Let us display this one. So in HTML, right? If I want to display the question, and this is my AMP script, it is working perfectly fine. So I want to display the question itself in your HTML. So close the AMP script, write the HTML. So I'll go with H1 tag. and I want to display this question. So double percentage, double equals double percentage, H1 tag closed. And here I would like to display the question first, at question. Let us see whether we get this. So since the AMP script is closed, I need to open the AMP script, double percentage with square bracket. So let us see whether we get this result as an output first, and then we'll move on. So here I'll be placing a code snippet, place my code, schedule it, and I should be able to see the information here itself. I need not have to wait till the end. So you can see who is the father of C programming, what data type cannot have a variable declared. Okay, so I'm getting both the questions. So I want to improve this. So this is the one which will be displayed with the question number, which is I here. So I want to display the I, uh, double percentage, double equals double percentage dot space. And here I want to display the value at I. This is my question. Why is this being written? Because I just want to ensure that I'm not, I'm just updating my D. This should work. Who is the father of C programming? What data type cannot have a variable declared? Okay, this looks good. Now I have to display the options. I need to display the options. So this is my option one, which is coming from this field. Option one, option two, option three, option four, which is coming from these option one, two, three, and four. Now, before I move on, I need to display that below this. So this is my header, and below this header, I want to display those option. Okay. So to display the option, for now, I'll just go with the options OP1, OP2, and 3. So options colon. I'll beautify this later. Beautification will be done later. I'm just trying to show you only the AMP script part. So I need to display these four options in 4 lines. So one, okay, this is a manual value, and I want to display the option double percentage, double equals double percentage, and it is the function V and at symbol with OP1. And after this, I would like to have a break, and this will be displayed. This part will be displayed in H2. H3 would be good, I guess. H3, and then your this, and this looks good for me. Option one, two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. And this is the variable 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me copy this. Let us see whether it works. If this works, I need to just play around with my data extension. Okay, so here you can see who is the father of C programming? Charles, Dennis, James, Steve. Which data type cannot have a variable declared? So this is how, if you can memorize this one, that would be great. So depending on the scenario, you will be using some. This program is taking care of displaying if I have n number of questions that will be displayed with this. But this should be a radio button. This should be a radio button. That's where we need to understand the HTML and other stuffs. This code can take care of displaying the options. Okay, so I need to make this as dynamic. So this is my question. These are the options, but they should have the option of selecting, right? They should have the option of selecting, and that is given by our input tag. Input type, name, ID, and value. Okay. Input type is radio button. And the name is important here. Name, let us have it just for now as 1. Okay. Let's see whether we get that. And with that, I'll be stopping this video record. So I can see that radio button, but it is not beautifully crafted. That's fine. We'll beautify this one. We have beautiful people here. So this is option number 1, option number 2, option number 3, and option number 4. So it should not allow me to select any other option. So very important, please observe it. Out of 8, okay, options 1, 3, okay. But if I select this option, this should not go up. Okay, this should not go up. That comes from your HTML. So this name should be unique, right? So I think that should be replaced by the question number. So the question number QN, question number, is what I need to display here. Double percentage, double equals double percentage, the V function at QN. So this is what I need to place here so that the question and we have radio button and then H1 tag, right? Yes. So it is H3. H3. Okay, this looks good now. Let's see whether it works. It should allow me to select the option correctly, right? Schedule and publish. Code, when you see at the end, it might be having n number of lines. Question number 1, one option, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this looks good. If I select this one, so you can see that it is working. This is option number 1, this is option number 2, 3, and 4. You can select any one of them. You can select any one of them, but it is not mixing with each other. That is taken care by HTML, and the name should be unique here. For each question, I am placing the question number here. Now, let us play around with data and let's see whether my cloud page is smart enough in picking all the questions which are available. So I'll be adding 5 questions. I have 2 already. I'll be adding 3 more questions, out of which 1 will be not available. Data extensions, quiz, questions, records, and out of these 2, let me make this one as not available, which is false. Save. And if I run my cloud page, now it should be smart enough in showing only one question. Yes, it is showing only one question. Okay. And if I go back and edit it, so this will be true and this will be false now. So for now, if I run the one, it will be dynamic. So you can see what data type have a variable declared. This is my question number 1. My question number 1. Okay, this is good. And I want to display instead of I the QN. If some questions are not available, that should not be displayed. So which question is available now? The question number, yeah, question number 2 is available. You can see this here. Question number 2 is available. Question number 1 is not available. Okay. So that's the reason I want to track this one. Now I'll just make sure that I'll play around with this one. If someone is submitting, if someone is submitting the answer, if someone is submitting the answer, I need to keep a record of it. So what do I need to record it? Okay, I need the subscriber key, the email address, the question number, and the answer for it. Let us see whether we can record this. C programming underscore quiz underscore answers. Okay. Which will have contact key, text with 18 character length, primary key, and they will have their email address of type email address. Okay. They'll have the question number and the answer. Question number and the answer. Question number is number. Answer is also a number. Okay. And if they have answered it right, they should be calculated. We'll do that later. Contact key, email, question number, and the answer. I want to record this where the contact key and the question number, this might be nullable. Question number is mandatory and the answer is stored in numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Created. So now that is what I'll be coding in the next video, which we will be connecting. We have a couple of things. We'll be connecting with the same one. Probably we'll be connecting after 40 minutes from now. Okay. So I'll be sending a notification on the um, group. Please do join when you're free. Thank you very much. I'm stopping this video recording. I have two. This is my questions. This is the one which will record the answers, but I want to bring that data from the cloud page. So I need one more page, which I'll be doing it for now. So let me reload the browser. So it should be showing both the questions now, right? Was okay. I have question number one and question number two. This works, but there is no option for submitting. There is no option for submitting. That's what we'll be working in our video number two. Probably we'll be connecting back around 9 o'clock. Thank you very much.